Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, so let me tap on it, and if we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar here, and on the second position we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, 4 different options here, the off option, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. As you can see, this icon will be highlighted, which is more, we can always check which countdown we've got set. So right now just tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after, of course, from 10, 5 or 3, whichever option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on this timer or clock icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.